Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mark and I'm here with you today because we're going to be drawing a turkey for Thanksgiving dinner. Grab yourself a sheet of paper, a pencil, some markers, and let's have some fun. Remember, if you need a little extra time, just pause the video, and then once you're ready to continue, just hit that play button and you can keep going. Keep watching till the end of the video because that's when I color this in and you're not going to want to miss that. It turns out really cool. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is draw the plate at the lower part of the page. So I'm just going to draw this line straight across my page from left to right. Then on either side, we're going to taper this down a little bit. And if you want to do a plate that has rounded edges or pointier, that's all up to you. But we're just going to kind of point this a little bit. And then I'm going to draw another line that kind of goes straight across, just like that. And then down below, I'm going to do the lower part of the plate. So I'm just going to curve this like that. And I'm going to do the same on this side, kind of curve that in. And then I'm going to round this back in this direction, like this. And then we'll just connect both of these sides together, just like that. So there's our plate. Now for the turkey. I'm going to start on the left side, and I'm going to create this little wing. Actually, we'll create the whole body first. So we're going to come up, and I'm going to have like a little bit of a bump, and then we're going to come up. Now remember, this is the end of our turkey over here on this side. So when you make this round shape, you want to make sure you come back over here. So just pay attention to this edge over there. And then all you need to do is just come up like this, round this down, just like that. Okay, then we can do the turkey wing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over and extend right about here, and I'm going to go past this line that I drew, and then I'm going to come in with the wing shape. So we're going to come up like that, and then we're going to have a little bit of a point. We're going to come down, and then we're going to come back up over here and then round that down like this. Okay. Then we can do the turkey leg, and we can start over here. We'll just draw this round shape like this. It's almost like a circular shape, but it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. But then we're going to come up and we're going to go and point out in this direction, kind of like towards the top right of our page. And what we're going to do is come down like this, and as we're coming out, we're going to taper this towards each other, and we're going to extend past the outer part of our turkey, and then this is going to lengthen just a little bit like that, and then we're going to kind of come out and widen this a bit, and this is going to be the end of our turkey leg, the bone part. So we'll do this little like subtle V shape like that. And then we can have the end of the turkey like this. We can do a couple little triangular shapes. And we want to have the other side of the leg that's kind of showing through. So we'll just come and extend this out like that. So we're going to draw this part right here. We'll do another one over here that we're seeing on the other side. And this will just come out like this. And then we'll probably see a couple more little zigzag shapes like that. Okay. Now we have this turkey just came out of the oven, so it's steaming hot. So I'm just going to do a couple little like sizzling, radiating, like, oh, this thing's nice and warm. So we'll just do these little S kind of snaky shapes like that. You can do more if you want. You can put maybe a couple more like this. Just like that. Okay, then if you want, we can put some like vegetables and some lettuce shapes. So we'll just do a couple like little lettuce shapes over here, and it's inside of our plate right next to the turkey. And we can put like a little tomato over here. I'm just going to put like a highlight on that so we know that that's a tomato. And we could put some more greens like lettuce. And that's just going to give us a nicer presentation. It's just going to look neater. And I'll do another like lettuce piece over there on the other side, wrapping around. Maybe there's a potato or some things like that. And let's do another shape over here. I'll put like another tomato over here, and then a lettuce shape that's kind of going through that, and then another lettuce. This is going to be a bigger lettuce shape right there. And then we can put a couple little dots on our turkey like that, just for some details. And then we have our turkey wing, a few more dots there. And now if you guys want to put like a highlight or anything, you can do that. We can put these like little highlight shapes. And these are all happening on the top edge because our light's coming in from the left, the top left. So everything that's closest to that highlight is going to be picking up some of the brighter spots. And that's it, guys. For our next step, I'm going to grab my ink pen and just ink in my drawing. Using an eraser, gently erase all of those pencil lines that are underneath your ink drawing now. Don't worry if yours didn't turn out like mine did. You can head on down to the description, click that link, and download the copy of my coloring page. Then you can print it out and have a lot of fun just coloring this in with me like I'm going to do right now. Well, I hope yours turned out just as cool as mine did. If you liked the video, please click that like button. And why not subscribe to my channel? I do videos every weekday. And until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.